Okay, let's unpack this. If you work in professional video, you know the pain point, right?
Oh, yeah.
You've got incompatible formats and protocols coming at you from every direction.
It's a mess.
So today we are taking a deep dive into the brain that sort of solves all of that. It's the Thor Broadcast H-IRD-V3-QAM.
Bit of a mouthful.
It is!
Oh,
The Integrated Receiver Decoder, or IRD. This piece of hardware is, well, it's the ultimate video translator and digital bridge.
it truly is. I mean, the core mission for you if you're running a complex head-end or a broadcast facility is actually pretty simple.
Go on.
Take any signal in and guarantee you decode that high-value program content into broadcast quality video. It's really the single essential piece of gear for reliable protocol conversion.
And the versatility is just, it's strategically massive. This isn't just about handling modern IP streams, is it?
Not at all.
We're talking about a device that can receive everything from legacy RF signals like CTV QVM, DVB-C, or even ATSC for over-the-air signals.
Right alongside DVB-ASI transport streams and modern IP sources.
It speaks every language you have in your network.
Exactly. And what's fascinating here is how it gives that content back to you. It converts those wildly diverse inputs into practically every output signal you might need.
So pristine 3G-SDI for your modern editing suite?
Yep, HDMI and even the legacy analog formats like YPbPr component and CVBS.
So if you're doing a facility retrofit, that's your key insight right there. The fact it handles 3G-SDI right next to YPbPr means you can bridge a brand new digital control room with, existing older institutional displays, all from one box.
Precisely. And it doesn't skimp on quality. It handles both MPEG-2 and the more bandwidth-efficient HD64 video.
And the audio.
On the audio side, you see those professional touches, digital optical Toslink, robust XLR connectors, and the crucial Dolby AC3 audio pass-through.
Okay, so we've established it translates the world of video, but how does it handle the chaos of a busy network? This is where it gets really interesting, right? The traffic cop function.
This is where the V3 platform features really kick in, starting with the internal program multiplexer. This prevents that information overload you mentioned.
How does it do that?
Well, this multiplexer can simultaneously combine content from your ASI and your IP sources and funnel them into one large multi-program transport stream, an MPTS.
So you can think of the MPTS as one large container ship carrying all your channels.
That's a great analogy. But the real power comes when you want surgical control over those streams.
Ah.
Absolutely. While the IRD functions brilliantly as an intelligent ASI or RF to IP gateway, its IP output can be configured for up to 32 separate addressable single program streams.
SPTS.
SPTS.
Okay.
So instead of one large container ship, you've broken the content down into 32 independent speedboats.
Each with its own address and port settings.
Exactly. This gives broadcast engineers that granular control they need for complex routing without having to buy expensive, dedicated re-encoder boxes downstream.
That flexibility is critical. And speaking of granular control, how does it handle the fine-tuning? Because in broadcast, every little element has an ID tag.
It's designed for it. The unit can process, remultiplex, and critically remap the PIDs.
The unique identifier tag.
The unique identifier tags for up to 32 streams. This lets you cleanly reorganize services, move channels around, or swap identifiers without causing any disruption.
And finally, two key professional necessities. Security and accessibility. You can't run premium content without handling encryption.
Correct. And the unit includes 2 built-in CAS card slots, so it's ready to decode any encrypted programming you need to pass through.
What about captions?
Yep, it provides essential closed caption support for both 608 and the more modern 708 standard on the HD-SDI output, so you're covered for compliance and accessibility.
It really is a workhorse, isn't it? A reliable platform for everything from, basic decoding to complex TS protocol conversion. It gives you broadcast quality video and management tools you'd usually find in gear costing 3 times as much.
And that leads to a really interesting thought. If you connect the dots, the ability to manage encrypted content with those CAS slots, supporting every major standard, handling 32 independent IP streams.
All in one box.
All in one unit, priced at just under $2,000.
Yeah.
So what does that astonishing consolidation and cost efficiency say about the accelerating standardization of high-end broadcast infrastructure today?
What do you think it says?
It suggests that the line between, say, entry-level pro gear and the high-end head-end systems, well, that line is dissolving, and it's dissolving rapidly.